Hello family, this is Shirley's kitchen, but today I'm in my garden, and as you can see, I was gifted with a jackfruit from a co-worker of mine. And in my garden today, I'm just checking out. The rain just came and it's supposed to rain again today, but before it rains again, I just want to see what's going on. As you can see, this is my garden. There's Mr. Jim there, my husband. And there's the lemon. They're coming nicely. And that's a key lime right here. Didn't start doing anything yet. And my mango is on the way. I believe this is the East Indian mango. I also have some guineps that I planted from seed. That's seedlings. Over here there's another guinep. And that's also from seed. Over here I get pumpkin going from my compost. And this is my cinnamon tree here. And as you can see, it's starting to shoot more new growth, new leaves, new cinnamon leaves. I'm going to take you over here where I also have some bell peppers. Actually one bell pepper that's coming up in my raised box here. This is some ginger coming up. There's my coconut that I planted. This is from a whole coconut from scratch. Here's also papaya in the pot. Can't wait to have some harvest here. Here's my pineapple coming up. And over here is my guava. Yes. And here's my pimento. Yes, coming up. New leaves, new growth. There's also another papaya here. To come. Very windy in South Florida. Actually more North Florida, north of Palm Beach. And there's sweet potatoes over here. And of course my pigeon peas. Okay, it's very windy. As you can see, there's peas on there. I've been picking a lot lately. When I get ready to do that gungo pea soup or my goat soup or my rice and peas, I'll take you along that journey. Yes, here's some pineapple. Now, my husband really planted those. And my bay leaf tree coming up. Okay, here's my yam. Someone gave me, what do you call yam seed? And I planted it, and here's running up the vine, doing well. Here's another gungo coming up also. That's from seed. And here's my neeseberry. Yes, padilla they call it. In Jamaica we say neeseberry. Also my Barbados cherry, which I did purchase about a year ago. Almost lost it through the bad weather and the cold that we had here. But all these are new growth. And I had some blossoms the other day. I think they're all gone due to the heavy rain that came. Wow. Yes, so this is it for my garden. And there is some marigold we planted to protect from insects. Tomatoes coming up. As you can see, there are some tomatoes look like grape tomatoes. They're kind of long. Yes, Grape tomato, no, plum tomatoes. Yes, looking good. Looking good, looking good. This is my lychee from seed. I planted quite a bit, but this is a survivor. Yes. Here's my husband's garden bed. Has some potatoes. I think it's those yellow American potatoes that we use for candied yams, and you know, some tomatoes, bell peppers. It looks like one of those long, I would say chili pepper or something. I won't know till it's bigger. We did plant a lot of seeds, but you know, the cold weather killed a lot of stuff. Here's my avocado from seed. I ate an avocado bought from the store, and it was so delicious I decided to just drop the seed, and this is what I got. This family. So this is it for today in my garden. See you on the next vlog. Bye.